Thanks. I've said it before and I'll say it again. The longer this series goes, the better it is for us, no? And I don't know what happened to James Yap, but we're just lucky he wasn't able to play after the first quarter. No? Swerte lang kami. Pero I thought at that point na one of the teams was bound to break up at some point, no? So just told the boys to hold on until something happens, no? And fortunately, it was the other team that broke down ahead of us. I've been saying it before that Kirby and James Yap, they're just playing too hard, too long, no? And the longer this series goes, they're gonna have to play too hard, too long every time. So that we're just kind of putting that kind of pressure on them. No? We want that kind of pressure on them every time. So nadadagdagan yung pressure sa kanila the longer this series goes. So we're happy if we can take it to 7 games. We're going to be very happy if we can take it to 7 games. Game 5 winner takes control of the series, no? Inko, you can make the adjustments that you want. You can experiment a little bit. You can rotate some people, no? So if you win game 5, you have some room for adjustment. You can make some mistakes, you know, take some risks because you have a game 7 waiting for you. But as I said, no, we'll just keep the pressure up. We just want to keep the pressure up on them, and then actually I said I'm surprised that after hitting 10 points, James did not play anymore. So that's a key crucial factor, you know, making 10 points in 1 quarter and then not playing anymore. No? I'm really surprised why he didn't play after that.
Coach, mukhang effective yung usapan niyo after ng last game sa Denmark.
Hindi siguro yun. Kasi sanay sila sa ganun. Alam nila na pag natatalo kami, they stay a long time. No? Just to, because what we do is we analyze the game. I don't necessarily scold them or get mad at them. Maybe just a little bit. But while the game is fresh and while we still have our thoughts on the game just finished, nag-uusap-usap na kami, no? Para the next day, we just implement what we had talked about. Because if we analyze it the next day, maybe some of the things will not be fresh anymore in our heads.
It's been a long time since Red Bull won back-to-back.
Yeah, that's it. No? If we can win back-to-back, we take control of the series. And we want to break the cycle, no? Something's about to give in terms of the cycle. So, nag-alternate ngayon. Siguro, no? Siguro na papanahon na rin na ma-break yung cycle. We'll try our very best to break that cycle on Wednesday.
What do you expect from First and Coach Ryan?
Even without James Yap, they gave us a really hard fight, no? And we just got a little break there when Cyrus made that shot to go into overtime. But I knew that we had the edge going to overtime. No? So sabi ko, just hold on. Something's about to give. And fortunately, sila yung nag-breakdown bago kami. No? So, yun lang. Wednesday, we'll keep pushing. We'll try all kinds of defenses on Kirby and all kinds of defenses on Yap. We just have to break them down somehow.
Coach, with James Yap injured, or if he can play, it's not going to be 100%. Momentum on your side with this win on the side that's turned in your favor.
It's just to all, no? It's just to all, no? If they find a solution, because just in most cases, no? Especially if you have a talented team. If your star player is not able to play, the other guys are capable of stepping up. So, hindi lang natin nakikita yung mga potential sa team nila, but ngayon lang, no? They kept the bench kept them in the game, no? Sila Lanete, sila Fingris, sila Roger Yap. No? So they have the people to to take to release some of the pressure, no, from their scorers naman. But it's just their style that the ball goes to Kirby and the ball goes to Yap most of the time. The last game that we played, those two guys scored more than 50% of their output. So yun talagang design nila. But in a series, if you go into a long series, that's gonna take something out of you. And it already happened.
What do you expect from Coach Ryan?
He's very creative, no? He mixes up a lot of things. I think Kirby will feel a lot more pressure if James Yap is not going to play. And I don't know how Coach Ryan is going to handle that. So I don't want to second guess. Maybe we'll just see what happens on Wednesday.